Does your car do like this? I have an easy fix for this. First, you must unscrew this one, and then these other two in here. Take them off, and I'll show you how to fix your squeaking door. Now, once you take this off, you can take a plier, okay, and twist this. Don't worry, you won't do any harm. Now, if you twist that, you will have like this. After this, you must take these two screws out and then twist the whole mechanism from the inside so you can have this one back in his place. I'll show you. Now, once you've taken this system out, okay, you have it like this. You put a bit inside, twist it, and back on its holes, so you can put the screws back. Okay.